Caladenia tessellata. Caladenia tessellata, commonly known as the thick-lipped spider orchid, is a plant in the orchid family Orchidaceae and is endemic to southeastern Australia. It is a ground orchid with a single hairy leaf and one or two yellowish-green flowers with dark red markings. Description: Caladenia tessellata is a terrestrial, perennial, deciduous herb with an underground tuber and a single, up to 3 yellowish-green flowers with dark red marks are borne on a thin, wiry stalk 2150 mm tall. The sepals and petals taper to fine, short, thread-like tips. The dorsal sepal is erect at its base, then curves forward, and is 15-25 mm long and 2-3 mm wide. The lateral sepals are 15-25 mm long and 3-5 mm wide, curve downwards, and are nearly parallel to each other. The petals are 15-25 mm long and about 2 mm wide and also curve downwards. The labellum is cream-colored to green, often with a dark red tip, and is heart-shaped, 8-9 mm long and wide. The sides of the labellum often have a few short, blunt teeth. The tip is curled under. There are 4 to 6 rows of shiny black calli in the lower central part. Flowering occurs in September and October. Taxonomy and naming. Caladenia tessellata was first formally described by Robert Fitzgerald in 1876, and the description was published in his book Australian Orchids, from a specimen collected in Hunter's Hill. The specific epithet tessellata is a Latin word meaning inlaid with small square stones or mosaic in reference to the labellum appearing to be paved with short, thick calli. Distribution and habitat. This Caladenia is found in near coastal areas from Swansea in New South Wales to western Port Bay in Victoria, although there is a more inland population near Braidwood. It usually grows in grassy woodland. Conservation. Caladenia tessellata is known from about 19 populations containing a total of 450 plants. 6 of these populations are in New South Wales, and in some, no plants have been observed for more than 20 years. The largest NSW population is in the Moreton National Park, and in Victoria the largest is in the Wilson's Promontory National Park. The species is classified as vulnerable under the Australian Government Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999. The main threats to the species are habitat disturbance caused by activities such as road maintenance, trampling as many plants are near walking tracks, altered fire regimes, and browsing by kangaroos and wallabies. References